Babangko tayo kay Vicky para makakuha. Like and share, like and share. In live stream. Nasa ilalim po ako ng cameraman ng news stream.
Kaya meron ito. Sige. Adjust ulit. Adjust. Atras ulit. Atras. Atras. Sige, sige. Heaven eh. Sige, sige, sige. Sige po. Okay na po ito. Oh, mag-live ka na. Sige lang, sige. Nanay, wag ka na. Ayan, yan. Pasok ka doon, sige. Mag-live ka.
Magbibiglayan para hindi masakit.
Teka lang. Teka lang, teka lang. Teka lang. Pero halika. Halika, halika. Halika. Excuse me. Ito na po kayo dito.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the media briefing, we are going to transport Asik Laika from St. Hospital to Veterans Hospital. This is in compliance with the directive of the House of Representatives to Major General Napoleon Taas as the Sergeant at Arms. The PNP is assisting him in this order for the transfer of medical facility for Attorney Zulaika Lopez, dated November 23, 2024. Ang nakasulat dito, considering that as requested, Attorney Zulaika Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared by the St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City, and this is consistent with the standard practice